We're going to be looking at a Tesla Model Y today, but this also works for Tesla Model 3. And I mean works because Kustom Interior, I've partnered up with them. They have these awesome custom honeycomb leather floor mat liners for your Model 3s or your Model Ys. Now there's two configurations. You can get them with black and red stitching or black with white stitching. We got the black and white stitching, and I'm going to be putting them in my brother's Model Y today. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a great way to introduce you to the Tesla Model Y custom honeycomb leather floor mat liners. They have edge cutting performance and it meets luxury. I mean, look at them. Your Tesla experience will be taken to the next level from basic to sophisticated. These are carefully crafted, and these floor mat liners go beyond practical. They serve a stylish enhancement as well as being able to protect your floors.
Look at these on the driver's side. I think the fit is great. Look at that. Barely any kind of seam right there. It covers everything. So you don't have any carpet that's really exposed that you can get any dirt or debris on. One thing is that on the edge right here, it's a little bit not perfect, but that is because in the packaging, when it's being shipped and stuff, it's all crumpled together. But as you let it air out, as it sits here, it will form, I'm sure, to the shape and just relax the material a little bit. Other than that, though, this looks so solid. I love how it goes underneath the seat. It goes so far under, he gets lost in the shadow. That's the ultimate protection right there. And on top of that, check out the side of the seat. Look at that, y'all. The hexagonal stitching really brings a presence, and it protects the side part of your seat, because previously it was exposed carpet all the way around, and now it is protected.
You're gonna get front and rear honeycomb floor mats. They are made of premium artificial leather, precisely tailored to fit the Tesla. The floor mat liners seamlessly integrate with the car's interior design. The precise fit ensures a secure grip, prioritizing safety and ensuring that they don't slip around when you drive. Installation is super simple. You're basically just laying these down in your car and making sure the tabs that hold them to the edges, because they protect all of the edges, stick into place. They're engineered with accurate laser measured dimensions to ensure perfect total coverage. They have a single piece design for all of the floor mats. And the ultra durable vegan leather is scratch resistant, so it is perfect for everyday use. On top of that, waterproof as well. These both look great and are all weather. The unique design is that it is more unique than other floor mats you'll find out there that are all weather. I mean, come on. Are you looking at other all-weather liners that are this good looking and this protective? I don't think so. I recently just switched over to these and I love them so much. They're so plush. I drive with my shoes off because they are just that comfortable. But if I had dirty shoes and I can bring them in here, I know my mats underneath will still be protected. So if you want to go on their website, kustominterior.com, I'll have a link in the description below, as well as a discount code you can apply when you go to check out and grab your own. Thanks for coming along with me and putting these in my brother's Model Y. He loves them, and I love the ones in my Model 3. I'm sure you'll love some too.